last days of man on Earth.
The end of the world. How long have we got?
There are exactly 14 minutes left.
A planet gone mad erupts in cosmic violence.
We're about to produce an all-purpose human being. An hermaphrodite. Immortal. Can't you feel our bodies merging? We shall be the new Messiah.
Something strange is happening in the high Sierras. Soon, it will be happening everywhere.
Every animal out there is watching us.
It is powerful and deadly, frightening beyond imagination. This little girl has seen it. She has lived through the day of the animals. She will never be the same. The day of the animals. It could be tomorrow. Rated PG.